Alright, so I have open here on my laptop ModSim32 and ModScan32. And if you did Mastering Modbus RS-485 Network Communication, you would be very familiar with these two. In that course, we connected our ModScan master to our ModSim32 slave via an application called Virtual Serial Port, which created two serial ports interconnected in software. In this example now that I'm going to show you, we're actually going to connect these two via the network using Modbus TCP IP. ModScan32 will be our client, ModSim32 will be our server. Now usually on a network, each device would have its own IP address. A client would have its own IP address and the server would have its own IP address. However, ModScan and ModSim32 can have the same IP address because it's the same IP address on this PC and actually talk to the same port 502. So as simulators, they're able to do that. So we're going to take advantage of that. So let's see what we do to connect. So I'm going to connect, and you'll see Modbus/TCP server. I'm going to connect there, and if I go connect, disconnect, I see that there it's already connected. So we're successfully connected as a Modbus server. Alright, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start new holding register. Let's say device ID is 1, address is 1, and length is 1. I'm going to put input register 30,001. Alright, and I'm going to go now to my ModScan32, which will be my client, and it has to connect to the server. And usually I'll connect to a port, but in this drop down you'll see remote TCP IP server. And I know ModSim32 is not exactly remote, but from a software perspective it is. So and this is the IP address of the remote Modbus server, which is ModSim32. It's 192.168.1.101, which from the previous video I showed you was the IP address of my laptop. And we're going to go OK. And we're connected. I can go disconnect if I want. And now I can go new. And I can see 1 and 1 and 1 and input register. It's gonna just move this around a bit. So now I'm connected. So I am actually, what's happening here is that ModScan32 is communicating with ModSim32 via Modbus TCP IP. And of course, we're going to see lots of examples of it. If I double click this here and change the value to 345 and update it, it updates immediately on ModScan32 because there is a connection between both of them. And in the lectures to come, we're going to go through one by one all of the various Modbus commands because I want to show you that they work on Modbus TCP IP, and I want to show you what the data streams look like because you'll need that to troubleshoot. Okay.